Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, transmission 6-speed automatic, privacy glass, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.